video. Alright. Merry Christmas, VaNyahs.
Merry Christmas. Now.
Yeah? You want to start with the big one? You can start with the big one. Wait a minute, what that say? To VaNyahs?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. What is it?
Oh my God! Kinetic sand!
Oh, yay!
Got it!
Kinetic sand!
Kinetic sand!
Oh, wow!
Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Now you can say, thank you, Granny.
Thank you!
Now put it over here. Oh, some
What?
in your eye. Now you come set it over here.
Oh,
That's amazing, isn't it?
oh my gosh.
Kinetic sand.
I can open another one.
You gotta go, go open that one.
Here I go. Here I go.
Yep, you gotta rip it. Just.
Mom, I got a dollhouse. See? I got a dollhouse.
She said, well, I got it all.
Oh my God. Really?
Isn't it nice?
Yeah.
Finish ripping it. There you go. Rip it. Rip it. You're a big girl. You can rip your own gifts.
Of course I can.
Okay. You don't got to rip the back of it. That's neat. Okay, go over to the side and get some more. The pink one. Remember the pink one?
This one?
Let me see. Yeah.
Okay. I'll open this one. I'll open this one.
Yep, sit right there. Rip it. It's Christmas. Rip it.
Christmas.
Yeah, rip it. What is it?
Oh my God!
Oh.
I don't even know.
Oh my goodness. What is it?
It's an Ariel taller doll.
Oh.
Ah!
She's
I
a
got an Ariel taller.
she's a beautiful princess, isn't she?
Oh my gosh. Okay, let's open up another pink one.
Okay, put her over here.
O-M-G.
Yes.
Ooh,
Yep, you can get that one.
see. Let's see, Mom.
What is it?
I don't know.
Rip it. You gotta rip it.
Shoes.
Oh, don't look so disappointed.
Shoes.
They're nice shoes. Take them out. There you go. Okay, now you can just set them to the, over here. Bless you. Bless you. Set them right there. All right.
I'm gonna open this one. I'm gonna open this one.
Yeah. Do that, what that say?
From VaNyahs.
From VaNyahs?
I mean, it's from Santa
To VaNyahs? Okay. Start from the back and open it. It'll make it much easier. Turn it over. Yeah. There we go. We're rolling now. Rolling in the gravy. It's a Merry Christmas.
And what is it this year?
Open it up. Why not? Bless you. Open the box up. Rip it. It's okay. What is it?
It's socks.
What kind of socks? Is that Monster High?
Well, it's
Let me see.
pink.
Let me see. Oh, pink cookie. Okay. Open the box.
Ooh, lots more.
Lots more? Bring it here. I'll help you.
Well, I opened another packet of fun.
Oh, these are cute.
This is fun. I picked another pink one.
They're cute.
Whoa.
Oh, this is cute.
What is this one? I got a doll, baby.
What is it?
What a crib.
Oh. Who got that?
You did.
You did.
You did. You did, Mommy. Did you?
Now you gotta press her hand. Turn her around so you can press her hand. What'd she say? Oh. Say, Mama. Oh, that's amazing.
That's amazing.
Mm-hmm.
That's amazing.
What's another one? You see another pink one? Or what else you see?
I see.
You get the Minnie Mouse bags. Get the Minnie Mouse bags. The one that got the Minnie Mouse on it. On the other side. Give me mines. Give me that one right there. Yep.
Open up yours. Open it.
Yeah, let's open it. Let's see what it is.
What did you get, Mom? What did you get, Mommy?
I don't know. Oh, I know what it is.
What did you get? Whoa. Let me get you another present.
Ooh, look what I got.
Oh, it's another one for you.
Ooh, look at my boobs.
It's another for you. It's another.
Okay, bring it here. Ooh, those are really neat.
Ooh, this one is for you. Let me open it for you.
They call bear paw. And they're black boots. Hey, let me open it.
No, let me open it for you. Oh, my.
Oh, thank you for helping me open it.
You're welcome. Because you're
It's
a
a-
nice mommy, too.
It's a sweatshirt that say classy love.
Okay, back to me. Move this out of the way.
In the pants.
I'm going to open this one.
Go ahead. Oh, these are nice. Bless you, baby. I gotta give you some medicine.
No.
Yeah. What is it? What is it? Oh my goodness.
OMG.
Is it? What's that say? What's her name?
It's
Right here. What's her name? Bless you. Bless you. Andrea? Andrea. Okay. And what's up underneath it? What's that?
Another painting.
Oh, goody. Those Legos. Isn't it nice?
And that. Okay. I'm gonna get this one.
Oh, pretty.
I'm gonna get this one.
Sparkling, scratching, reveal. Ooh, rip it, VaNyahs. Rip it. Don't scoot it close. Scoot it back some. Rip it. Rip it, baby. Like VaNyahs said, rip it.
Oh, I got a car.
Ooh. Ooh, who got that?
Mommy.
Me?
Yes, it says Mommy.
Oh. Isn't that great?
Oh my God. It's for dolls.
Yes, for dolls. And I gotta put some batteries in it. Isn't that neat, VaNyahs?
Yes, I didn't even know.
Give me those socks over there.
Huh?
Give me those socks over there. The ones that you put to the side.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Yeah, these are
Let me get
pink cookie. Oh, little kitty cat at the end of it. What else you see? That say to VaNyahs?
Yeah.
Okay, come on. Come over here and open it. That's okay. Yeah, look at the reindeer.
Ah. Wish me luck.
What is it?
It is.
What is it, baby?
It is.
Freak out. It's a monster. Ever After High costume.
Oh, right.
Don't worry about that. It's got the tights, the gloves, and the dress.
Whose is it?
Yours.
And I'm like, what monster is it? Oh, it's
What else you see?
another one. It's another big one.
Pull it. Pull it.
Another big one.
Okay, come over here. Ariana Grande. Does that
I'm
say?
sure it's another one.
Scoot back some. Scoot back. You're too close.
Oh, what's this? Oh, what's this?
VaNyahs, scoot back. You're too close, baby.
Mama!
Oh, it's another what? What you call that?
It's got,
For Halloween, what do you call that?
Ever After High.
No, a costume. That's what I'm trying to get you to say. Another
it got
costume.
a lady on it.
But that's when you get older. When you get 10 and 11, 12. Come here. I gotta blow your nose. Your head down. Blow again.
Ew!
Oh, did that? I thought. I'm sorry. Okay, put it in the garbage. Okay. Over there. Don't go that way. Garbage over there. Another costume.
Let me get another one.
Gotta move this paper out the way.
I'm gonna open Granny's present.
Yeah, pull it. Pull it from up under there.
It's for me. This better be good. This better be good. Oh, goody. Oh, goody. Oh, goody.
Open it and look at it.
Shoes?
VaNyahs, they falling out the box.
Shoes.
They're not shoes, they boots.
I got the same boots.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put them.
Come here, give them here. Put them back in there. Yeah, those are nice.
I'm gonna open this one.
Yep, get that one.
Why is there no more presents?
You ain't open up all of them yet. Open up that one. Scoot back some. You too close. Oh, let's see Duck McStuffins.
I see sadness.
Mm-hmm.
And I see joy.
Rip it.
And it is
Who is that?
Clover.
You're not excited to see Clover? And who's that?
Rudolph.
Rudolph. And it's a pillow pad. Did you know that?
How's it work?
You fasten it and put your blanket in it. You just undid it. Okay. Rudolph. Rudolph. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas, everyone.
What's up?
Hi, Clover.
God, what the heck?
Okay, go get another one. Merry Christmas from Clover, from Sophia the First.
Oh, look, this one's from Shopper's World.
Oh, look at that.
A coat?
A nice shiny pink coat. And it's big. Oh, isn't that nice? Granny got that for you. Okay, go get the other bag.
Christmas. Is
Scoot back
Santa coming back tomorrow?
Scoot back, VaNyahs. You too close. Who's that?
He's from Clifford.
Oh, you remember his name?
No. You?
Mm-mm. What else in there?
Oh. What is
That's
it?
like a put-together bank fire truck.
Ooh. What is this?
Eye patch.
And a tattoo.
Mm-hmm.
And oh, it says
The coloring pages.
no.
Yeah.
Two. The
Are them,
same one.
are them
okay?
coupons?
No, the same one.
Those are coupons. You color those. Mm-hmm. Put that up there. And it's what else in there? A pencil and a sticker.
Oh. Here we go, Mommy.
Here we go.
Here we go.
Let me move it.
Here we go. This might be.
What is it?
Whoa.
Oh, wow. Merry Christmas. Oh, she's just so plush, isn't she?
She's a big dog.
She's a big dog.
She's a big dog. Yeah. God. She
Ooh.
looks so lonely.
Okay, you got one more. Go get that one.
Huh?
Go get the other bag on the other side.
This is not mine.
Oh, that's right. You don't gotta open up
Then
that.
I guess I'll open it.
Give it here. Oh,
Can
that's
I open up?
this thing. Oh, you got one more thing.
What?
One more thing, baby.
I got one more present.
Yeah.
Where? Where? Oh. Is this the present?
Yeah. And what else is that? Lip gloss. Okay, what else in there?
Shopping stickers?
You're not excited about that?
Not
Let me see what the other ones look like. Oh, they're so cute. Ooh, Shopkin stickers. Shopkin, Shopkin.
Ooh, what's this?
Tattoo.
No tattoos.
No tattoos. What else in there?
Whoa, what's this?
What is that?
It's a magic bath time. What is it?
Towel.
Ooh, it's a towel.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
You think you got something else in there?
Yep. Ooh. Candy! Candy!
What else in there?
Candy. I love candy. Candy.
Some more candy?
Candy. Huh? It's...
Oh,
Whoa.
watch it, Naya.
Dude.
That's...
Ooh.
What else?
Another one.
Another one.
Oh.
Some more candy? What else?
I'll put this one right here.
Oh, it came off.
Yeah, it came off.
Okay, what else in there? Anything else? Was there anything else? What? Oh. Anna and Elsa and Olaf?
You're forgetting. You forgot. Sven.
Sven, he not on there?
Yes. See?
You got another candy bar. A crunch. Ooh.
Turn it. Another present.
Turn it upside down. Was that it? I think that was it.